Hi, morning, everybody. Welcome to Fantastic Fridays. As promised, we are getting you one of the shares technical analysis. For today, we have chosen Reliance. But why Reliance? Nifty has been gaining, and Reliance is a major component which supports the Nifty. It's really weighted very high, number two at the moment. So while Nifty is going up, Reliance seems to be going down. So we thought, let us analyze what exactly is happening with Reliance and where is it going. To understand Reliance and the present situation, let us first have a look at the Nifty. This is where the Nifty is, how it has been behaving. If you recall our discussions earlier, after the fall and Nifty had come up, and I had mentioned that till it reaches above 19,800, I would not say that it has come on an upward trend despite it's going above the trend line. You will notice that the resistance zone that we had made, Nifty is still battling that resistance zone and has not been able to cross it. In fact, on this trend line, if you notice, it is just hanging on there. So if you see, it appears to be going a little down. Even the indicators here are showing that it is moving down. In fact, the global markets and the environment in the globe are somehow not suiting it just now. In fact, Dow Jones started yesterday evening in red. So let's see where it closes thereafter. So what is interesting also about this Nifty is that despite all that has been happening, it has managed to remain above the trend line. And in fact, while it is hanging on this other trend line, but it apparently is seeming to be going above. It has stayed above it, even its 20-day EMA. So anything that gives it a boost and takes it above this can take it to a much higher level. Another positive for the Nifty that has been happening is it's been making higher highs and higher lows. So we are again at a higher high, and even if it comes down, maybe till somewhere here, we will still make a lower low and can return upwards beyond 1800 and maybe head towards the 20K mark. That only time will tell. But at the moment, it is precarious. It is seeming to be headed down, and all technicals seem to be telling us we are looking for a little bit more of downward move. Coming down to Reliance. Now, for Nifty, we had seen it had been moving up, and thereafter it did come down for a while. But Reliance seems to be just falling quite mercilessly. In fact, all these charts which I'm showing are trading view charts, and this particular one is of Reliance one-day chart. So you see how much it has taken us beating and has come down. And it is always going beyond this trend line. It's been creating lower highs and lower lows. Even the volume support, if you see, when it falls, is much higher than when it tries to push itself up. So volume is also not supporting Reliance, indicating there's some weakness in Reliance. So when Geo happened, a major portion of Reliance got out. Maybe it is still stabilizing to understand where it is placed now and where it has to go and how the profits and earnings will manifest. So if we look at certain other aspect of this, we will see that while it has fallen all this distance, it is still above the support trend line. Indicators indicate that it is in an oversold zone. So after an oversold, there's a tendency for the stock to come up. Both the indicators are showing it is moving up, and even here at the trend line, you can see two strong prominent moves, though it was not supported by too much of volume, but definitely the prices did make a significant difference. So Are we headed for a short-term move? Well, if we are, short-term move in any direction would result in these levels. And of course, if we tend to take support and move for medium to long term, and we get over this resistance, we have a few more levels to cross before we can reach the higher 2.6 levels or 2.9 levels, which some people say this stock can reach. So positioning from now, we would see that Reliance will now start to play a little role, because now it has started to turn upwards, and maybe it will support Nifty. And if it supports Nifty strong, 20,000 is 20K is not very far. And this was a relatively short video. I basically wanted to highlight to you the differences in Reliance and Nifty as they go along. It is a trading and investment format that I'm following, but it's basically all research that I have done. It is not a trading or investing recommendations. I love to hear your feedback, so please do write to us on stockwizardsforyou@gmail.com. Many friends of ours have approached me and have suggested that give us levels and give us options of going, what price targets are there. I'm afraid I will not be doing that, because I'm telling you how to read a share or a stock or the markets using technical analysis. So bear with me, and once you get the hang of it, you'll automatically be able to translate these things into the price and price gains. With this, I would like to end the session today, and I wish you a happy weekend. Good day. Bye.